Yo, 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 here comes Scooter. Don't worry, I'm on my way. Hey, fat boy, you wanna fight? Yeah? You wanna fight? Okay. You wanna fight? What?
Finally here, HBO Max, and you know what I'm gonna watch first? The Secret Saturdays. That was my childhood. Oh, I have not watched that show in so long and I miss it. Let's see if it's on here. Let's see here. The Cartoon Network section, yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Down, A-Z. And that can't be right. It's not here. That can't be right. It's not here. They didn't have the Secret Saturdays. God damn it! You gotta be kidding me! God damn! I spent $14 for nothing. Ugh. Puppet. Ugh. Yes, Muriel. I gotta ask you a question. What is it, my dear old friend? Why am I tied up here? Oh, Muriel, it's actually a pretty simple answer, really. It's just that you raped me last week. This is your punishment, you piece of shit. But you know, I wouldn't call that rape, really. You wouldn't call that rape? Well, I would just call it me taking off your clothes and trying to force you out to get your